Hello everyone, hopefully you're doing pretty well today. My name is Deborah and welcome to my channel, Crafty Chalk Creations. Today I'm not doing a project, but I wanted to let you know about the amazing specials that Chalk Couture's got going on during the month of May. And the first special that they've got going on, and this is while supplies last, is their new collector color of the month. And it is called Saucy. It's a rustic rust barn red, like a retro red. It is perfect for if you wanted to create those primitive or vintage type decor projects. And you can get the option to purchase this with a purchase of $75 or more, and that is before taxes and shipping. Now, the other amazing deal that they've got going on is the buy three, get one free of their 3-ounce jars of paste and ink. This is where you can go ahead and create your own custom palette for your own decor projects. Let's say you want to get 2 jars of paste and 2 jars of ink, any kind of combination that fits your home decor palette that you can get. I am really glad that they're offering this. It is an amazing special. Now, if you are a Club Couture subscriber, with a purchase of $75 or more, you will get a free color case. That's a $28 value. And that is perfect for you to put your, for storage, for you to put your buy three, get one free of your paste or ink. So I hope you are able to take advantage of some of these amazing specials that they've got going on during the month of May. I will have links posted down below in the description box. So if you'd like to join Chalk Couture's Club Couture, or if you'd like to take advantage of these amazing specials with their paste and ink combination, a buy three, get one free, or if you want to be able to get that custom, or I should say that collector color, Saucy. I will have all those links posted down below, and I appreciate it if you would use those. That way I will get credit for the commissions. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day and happy creating.